Alrighty. Hey everyone, welcome back to another great lecture of Python 101. And today we're going to be continuing our discussion about regular expressions. Anyway, last time we talked about a vast array of things, and now we're going to keep talking about it. So, exclusion. We can use the up symbol to exclude terms by incorporating it into the bracket syntax notation. For example, bracket up bracket will match any single character not in the brackets. So we can use all those weird symbols to check for the matches that are not a this or space, because there's a space in here if you didn't notice. Add a plus to check that the match appears at least once. This is basically translates into finding the words. So let's go to the Jupyter Notebook and create a new. All right, so we're gonna make a string. A string. Can we hit the num? Can we hit remove button to remove? I need to remove the punctuation. I don't know, I just did something random. Anyway, this was called test phrase. Okay, so now we're gonna re.find all. Oh wait, hold on. You needed to import. I forgot you need. Actually, I'm just gonna copy this because I don't want to import the thing again. I'm gonna go to the one we went last time. Let's see. Oh wow, 4 days ago maybe? Yep, this one. So that's where, yep, import RE, okay. All right, so we're gonna get this phrase back here. We're gonna run that. Now we're gonna do re.find all. And here we're gonna put brackets, and we need, so let's see, we had some dots. We had a lot of this and plus. And then here we're gonna do test. Boom. So this literally just separates the things based on where the punctuation is. And oh, and let's also do space because that's also called punctuation. There we go. So, but if you didn't add space, that would just separate it with the B's. But if you did add a space in there, you could make that. So, or you could just do split, and then I don't know why people would use regular expressions. Anyway. Oh, shoot. Okay. Character ranges. As character sets grow larger, typing every character that should or should not match could become very tedious. A more compact format using character ranges lets you define a character set to include all of the contiguous characters between a start and stop point. The format is used in start and inside brackets. Okay. Common use cases are to search for specific range of letters in the alphabet, for instance, A to F, would return matches with any occurrence of letters between A and F. All right, so we're gonna make another test phrase. Okay, so now we're gonna call it, this is another example sentence. So now we will see if we can find some letters. It's very comfortable. Hold on, let me just move this. There we go. All right, so we run that. And our thing is, okay, there we go. What are we gonna do? We're gonna do some test patterns again. All right, so brackets, blah, blah, blah. And here we're gonna do we're gonna do. Anyway, A to Z. What we're gonna do is, this is gonna be all the sequence of lowercase letters. So A to Z. Here we're gonna do all capital letters. Another, and this is sequence of lower or uppercase letters. So that's pretty. And remember, this isn't like A to Z, just means like all from A to Z. So if you put A to T, that's not all the capital letters. So you can have a capital Z and it won't be in there. So what, A to Z, and here you just put A to Z like that. And finally, you have one uppercase letter followed by lowercase letters. Actually, you can also do the opposite, which is one capital letter and wait, no, that's different. You can do, you can reverse anything. So A to Z, that's one, and you do another, that's the rest. And then you do plus, because that's what it means. And here, if you want to find all, you have to do that. This is just like one. If you want to make them all, you just do that. And now we're gonna, actually, let me just, I say actually too much. Okay, just do a comment here and then sequence. I hope you can. Of lowercase letters. Sequences of upper case letters. Sequences of lower or upper case letters. And then here it's one uppercase followed by all just lowercase letters. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna do multi.re. re underscore find, and here we're going to test there we go, test patterns, and here we're going to do another, I'm going to run that. So this is sequences of lowercase letters. So you see they take out the this, and this is all the that, and this is like, this is one capital letter and all lowercase letters, and this is no, this, like, this is just one, because there's no other. Honestly, now that I think of it, this should be and. I'm sorry, this is and slash or. Anyway, you get the point. No, I don't get the point. Well, too bad. Okay, yeah, okay, so escape codes. So here's like a few escape codes. You can use a special escape code to find specific types of patterns in your data, such as digits, non-digits, white space, and more. Escapes are indicated by prefixing the character with a backslash, which is this little thing here. Unfortunately, a backslash must itself be escaped in normal Python strings, and that results in expressions that are very difficult to read. In raw strings created by prefixing the literal value in R, eliminates the problem and maintains readability. Personally, I think this use of R to escape a backslash is probably one of the things that block someone who is not familiar with regex in Python, from being able to read regex. Yeah. So I don't like regex. Okay. So we're gonna make another test phrase. Just gonna call it phrase equals. This is a string with some symbols and numbers, such as, okay, take out the period for now, and we're gonna do another test. Patterns equals, and we're gonna do that. Just leave one space and then I can just, yes, so we gonna R, and then now that I think of it, I could just put, I have to put R here, and then /D, and then plus. So what this does is it does a sequence of digits. Next. All right, so this is where it's not where the struggle. This is the series of sequence. And guess what this is? Of non-digits. Just want to make sure for you people who don't know what a digit is. A digit is the long form of a digit, and I call it a digit because I'm weird. Okay, so R. Why doesn't it autocomplete? Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna have to type that first. Okay, so I'm gonna put some R's here. Okay, so now we're gonna do /s. Oh, I forgot that. There we go. Always forget the plus for some reason. and minus sequence of white space, and that's just a sequence of white space. So that's literally a white space is literally just the space that's white. And here, as you can guess from the digits one, this is gonna be, hold on, this is gonna be a sequence of non okay, and here finally we're gonna have / well, it's not finally, but for this lesson we're gonna finally do that. This is alphanumeric characters. If you don't know what that is, just go search it up. In fact, I'll be nice and I'll search it up for you. That's how you're gonna be. So, alphanumeric. Consisting of both numbers and letters. See? You just have to learn your vocabulary. Okay, so alphanumeric. And guess what this is gonna be? Why is it caps lock? Am I in caps lock? Okay, I'm on caps lock. Okay, guess what this is gonna be? Non-alphanumeric. Good job. All right, so now we're gonna call it multi-ray find test rays. Oops. Oh shoot, I forgot to put some commas here because there's really nothing with. There we go. So this is the alphanumeric part. Now that I think of it, from the last lesson, I'm terribly sorry. I forgot to add commas. Oh, Taurus is here too. Yeah, that makes more sense. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Okay. Anyway, now that you saw me make a mistake, don't you dare make a mistake. All right, so that's gonna be it for this lesson. If you liked it, and if you're watching this from YouTube, subscribe. If you didn't, I will sue you. Anyway, and if you're new, click the subscribe button. Go to YouTube. Search up CHOMANIA. Boom. That's me. Sub to me. New video almost every day. All right. Love you, mean it. Bye.